Awesome. Thanks for confirming. Just to double check, I have your business name as iChatLabs, your website as iChatLabs.com, and your email as jiffins123@gmail.com. Does that all sound right?
Yeah, that's all correct.
We are transferring you to the demo agent.
This call will be recorded for quality purposes. Hey, Jiffin, this is Danny. Welcome to iChatLabs. How can I help you today?
Hey, Danny, how are you?
I'm doing great, Jiffin. Thanks for asking. How about you? What's on your mind today?
I am looking for some more information about your business. What services do you guys offer?
Absolutely. At iChatLabs, we specialize in helping small businesses streamline their sales and marketing through technology. We offer tools like ICRM, which combines customer data, sales pipelines, and marketing campaigns into one platform, and iBot, an AI-powered chatbot that automates tasks and improves customer engagement. Plus, we provide mobile accessibility so you can manage everything on the go. We also create custom solutions tailored to different industries like real estate, coaching, retail, and more. Does that sound like what you're looking for?
Yeah, that sounds like what I'm looking for. But
Great.
I think I just want to change a few things. Is it possible to talk to the previous guy?
Got it. Let me transfer you back to Sam so you can discuss those changes. One moment.
Hey there, Justin. Welcome to Voice Receptionist Demo. How are you doing?
Hey, we just had a chat. You remember?
Yes, I do. We spoke earlier about setting up a demo for your business, iChatLabs, with the website echatlabs.com and your email, jiffins123@gmail.com. Are you still exploring the virtual receptionist for your business?
Yeah, but I just want to change the business actually. I just remembered that I want this for another business. Is that possible?
Absolutely, Jiffin. We can update the business details for you. Could you share the name of the new business?